So here is how to download Aula F75 keyboard software. So first you will need to open the browser and search for EPO Maker, which is the manufacturer, and then go to keyboards in here. Now you should see on the top there is a download section. Go to the software and click on it. And in here you should look for EPO Maker Aula F75. You can also search on the top. And you should pick your relative keyboard, click on it, and it should take you to this page. Now you'll simply need to click download software version Windows, and it should start downloading. Now click on the zip and extract the installer to your desktop or wherever you want to do it. Now you'll simply need to double click on the installer, confirm, and follow the installation process by selecting the language, pressing next, and then proceed to install. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.